Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Avisha and this is another voiceover of this time my cheese kottu, which is a popular dish in Sri Lanka that you can make for yourself. So this is basically the ingredients right here. Alright, so over here we start with oiling up the frying pan, and yeah, just oil it up first. Add some garlic. Onions. Stir it up. Add some carrots. Add some celery. Now tomatoes. Now add an egg. Stir it up. Now you put in the meat. Or chicken. Now you stir it up once again. Add some cream or cheese into that. A few more. Stir it up again. Really nicely. Now add some tomato sauce, a bit of that. Stir it up. Keep stirring until it's whitish, yellowish, like whitish, yellowish or something. Now add some pepper onto that. Stir it up. Now put some salt on that. Now you put in the roti on it. Or as Asians pronounce it, roti. Now stir it up. Just keep stirring. Now you put some grated cheese on that to make it more cheesier. There we go. Just put some spring rolls onto that. And looks nice. Perfect. Just perfect. You need to try this out. And here's the final dish, complete. Now, so I actually ate this and it was good, alright. I even cried from the first taste.